How to draw Peg. We're going to start by drawing the top of Peg's hair. Then to the right of that, we're going to draw her ear. From her ear, we're going to draw a straight line going down. This will be for the back of her head. Then to the left of that line, we're going to draw an oval for her eye. Then inside of that oval, we are going to draw a smaller oval. Inside of that smaller oval, we are going to draw a small little circle and then a small curved line near the bottom of the oval. Then we will color in that area black, leaving the small circle white. Then to the left of that eye, we're going to draw her other eye. This one will be drawn exactly the same as the right one. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Now we're going to draw one eyebrow above the right eye, and we will color it in black. The face is looking great, but we're going to finish it by drawing a straight line coming down from her hair on the left side of her eyes, and then by drawing her nose. To draw her nose, we will draw a small V-like shape with a curved line on each side of the V. We're going to add 2 small dots on her nose for her 2 nostrils. Then from her nose, we're going to draw her mouth going downwards. Once we draw the outline of her mouth, we're going to draw a straight line going downwards from it. This will be for the front of her body. Right below that line that we just drew, we're going to draw her front leg. Then on the outside of that line that we drew, we're going to draw her other front leg. This one will be slightly above the one that we just drew. Looking amazing, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I love your drawings. Now we're going to draw the rest of her body. We're going to start at the front leg and draw a line going towards the right. Then we will draw 2 lines going upwards. This will be for detail on her clothes. At the top of those two lines, we are going to draw a C-like shape for the beginning of her wing. Then we will draw the rest of the wing. Great job, learn how to draw up crew. Now we're going to draw her skirt. Next, we're going to draw her back two legs and the back of her body. Our drawings are really looking awesome. Now we're going to add some more of her hair. At the bottom where her hair connects to her head, we're going to draw a flower. Then below that flower, we're going to add another curved line for the bottom of her hair. Now let's draw her tail together. Then we're going to go back to the mouth and we're going to add some detail. We're going to add some teeth and a tongue. We're going to add some detail to her hooves. At the bottom of each one of her feet, we're going to add a straight line going across with two smaller lines going downwards. Now we're going to do the same thing that we did to the front two feet to the back feet. For some detail on her face, we're going to add a small oval underneath her right eye. Now we're going to add some details throughout her hair. We will draw flowers. You can draw the flowers where we do, or you can draw them wherever you would like to. Wow, I really love the flowers that you drew on her hair. Now let's finish drawing her clothes together. We are going to draw the neckline of her shirt by drawing two curved lines across her neck. To finish drawing her shirt, we're going to add a couple curved lines by her front two legs. This will be the rainbow on her shirt. To finish drawing Peg, we're going to add some detailed lines throughout her hair. Then for the final touch, we're going to add some eyelashes on Peg's eyes. This is how to draw Peg. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.